Hi, everybody, and welcome to another episode of Glam Bam. Thank you, ma'am. I'm here with actually a mentor of mine, makeup guru, celebrity makeup artist, creative specialist, you name it, she's done it. She's also really chill and awesome, and I love you so much. PATI DUBROFF!
I love you, Jamie G.
You feel free to do whatever you want to do, but knock my socks off, PATI DUBROFF.
Look at this.
Tell me about that.
You see?
Ginger root.
One of the properties of ginger, it's called gingerol. And gingerol is anti-inflammatory. It's also an antioxidant. It can relieve nausea, can settle the stomach. It also can help fight colds and flus. Whenever I would be feeling a little off, I would go to Erewhon and I would get like the ginger shots. And when I was no longer able to run to Erewhon every second, I'm like, wait a minute. Those are simple ingredients. I'm going to start making this shit myself.
Okay. You got me. I'm hooked.
When I got the ginger bulbs, I was trying to peel them, right? You got all these little knobs and these little places. Like, it's just hard to get all the skin off with this peeler.
Yeah.
So then I'd take a knife and then I'd take off chunks and then I'd be losing so much ginger, right? Then I read about a little hack. So it's not something I made up, but it's something, that I learned in quarantine.
Yes.
Teaspoons, ginger. All you do is it's very easy to rub the teaspoon along the ginger and you're not wasting a whole bunch. You're not like awkward with one of those peelers trying to get into crevices because you're in your little crevices right there.
Wow.
It's super quick and easy. And now I've got all this ginger, haven't wasted any, came off easy, didn't cut my finger in the process.
Didn't waste, didn't cut your finger.
And I'm going to keep my immune system at its most optimum. Oh, can I tell you one more tip with my making of my ginger turmeric lemon shots?
Yeah, so tell me what you do.
So what I do is big hunk of ginger, hunk of fresh turmeric. I'll wash the turmeric really well and throw it in. Fresh squeezed lemon and water. And then I'll get a few mint leaves or basil leaves. I throw it in the bullet, blend it up, and then strain it. And there's my shot. But what I've strained, all that stuff that's stuck in the strainer, I don't throw that away. I put that in the pot, add more water, and I brew that as a tea that then I sip on throughout the day. So I'm not wasting anything.
That is genius. That is so smart. I love that. That is a great, I love it. Glam Bam, thank you, ma'am. Super easy. That's amazing. Well, I am so happy that you're here. If you guys want to follow PATI, she's a wealth of knowledge, not just with makeup, obviously. All of her stuff is below, so follow her. You can see it there. And PATI, thank you so much. This has been so fun.
Thank you so much, Jamie. Glam Bam, thank you, ma'am.